Picture this. You're cruising down the Pacific Coast Highway. The ocean's on your left, mountains on your right, and you're not just driving a motorhome. You're commanding a rolling luxury suite that rivals five-star hotels. And in 2026, luxury motorhomes are going next level. Think Rolls-Royce craftsmanship, Mercedes-Benz engineering, and Volvo safety, all reimagined for the open road. These aren't just vehicles. They're dream machines on wheels. So buckle up. Today, we're counting down the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026 from Rolls-Royce, Peugeot, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, and Volterra. Number 5, Peugeot e-Luxe Horizon Motorhome. Now, Peugeot might not be the first name that comes to mind when you think luxury motorhomes. But in 2026, they're flipping the script. The Peugeot e-Luxe Horizon combines French elegance with smart, eco-friendly design. Fully electric, with a range pushing 320 miles per charge, this motorhome is ideal for families who want style without burning gas money. Inside, it's a minimalist masterpiece. Think Scandinavian-inspired interiors with natural wood accents, panoramic skylights, and a smart home-style dashboard that controls lighting, temperature, and even entertainment with voice commands. It's not as over-the-top as a Rolls-Royce, but it's perfect for travelers who value sustainability, comfort, and French design chic. Number 4, Volvo Globetrotter Executive RV. When you hear Volvo, you think safety and reliability. Now imagine that philosophy applied to a luxury motorhome. The Volvo Globetrotter Executive is built for long-haul explorers who want confidence on the road. Equipped with Volvo's advanced driver assist system, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and AI-powered collision avoidance, this RV is practically stress-proof to drive. The interior screams Scandinavian luxury. Ergonomic seating, clean lines, neutral tones, and eco-materials like recycled leathers and bamboo flooring. But here's the kicker. Volvo's motorhome doubles as a remote work powerhouse. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi, retractable desk pods, and acoustic noise-canceling walls, it's the ultimate office on wheels. If you're the type who wants to explore Yellowstone in the morning and still zoom into a board meeting by afternoon, the Volvo has your back. Number 3, Mercedes-Benz Grand Tourer Motorhome. Mercedes-Benz has already made waves in the campervan space, but 2026 takes it to a new level with the Grand Tourer Motorhome. This beast combines Mercedes' performance engineering with the brand's trademark luxury. Think all-wheel drive, hybrid electric powertrain, and a silky smooth ride no matter what terrain you're tackling. Step inside and it feels like a Maybach fuse with a penthouse. Massage chairs up front, a modular living room that converts into a dining space. And yes, a mini spa bathroom complete with rainfall shower. But the real flex? Mercedes has integrated holographic AI assistants into the cabin. You can literally say, "Hey Mercedes, plan me a scenic route to Napa Valley." And it'll pull up the itinerary, suggest stops, and even reserve campsites along the way. For those who want the prestige of Mercedes badge with true long-haul comfort, this is the sweet spot of innovation and tradition. Number 2, Volterra Quantum RV. Volterra might not yet be a household name, but in 2026, they're rewriting the rules of luxury RV travel. The Volterra Quantum RV is all about futurism meets sustainability. 100% electric, with a solid-state battery system capable of 450 miles per charge, plus solar panel roof and sides for passive charging while parked. Inside, it's less of a motorhome and more of a rolling tech sanctuary. Transparent OLED panels replace traditional windows, letting you adjust opacity at will. Mood lighting changes with your circadian rhythm, and the furniture is modular, transforming from lounge to bedroom to workspace in minutes. The Volterra is aimed at younger luxury buyers and tech enthusiasts who want to live, work, and play on the road without compromising on cutting-edge design. It's futuristic, it's green, and it makes a Tesla look almost old school. Number 1, Rolls-Royce LandCruiser Elegance Motorhome. And finally, the crown jewel, the Rolls-Royce LandCruiser Elegance. Rolls-Royce has always been about the pinnacle of craftsmanship, and their 2026 motorhome proves it. Imagine their legendary hand-stitched leather, bespoke with veneers, and signature starlight headliner, stretched across an entire mobile mansion. Under the hood, expect a plug-in hybrid V12 with whisper-quiet performance. The ride? as smooth as gliding on silk. Rolls-Royce engineers actually developed a magnetic suspension system that eliminates 95% of road vibration. You're basically floating down the highway. Inside, luxury is dialed up to 100. Private sleeping quarters with memory foam mattresses, an onboard cinema room with Dolby Atmos surround sound, a chef's kitchen with marble countertops, and a rear deck that extends like a yacht terrace for sunset dinners. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. Price tag? Well, let's just say if you have to ask, it's not for you. We're talking several $1,000,000. But for those who can afford it, the Rolls-Royce motorhome is the undisputed king of the road, the bigger picture. So what do these 5 motorhomes tell us about the future of luxury travel? Sustainability is no longer optional. Every brand, from Peugeot to Rolls-Royce, is electrifying or hybridizing their lineup. Technology is the new luxury. AI assistants, modular interiors, and solar integration are just as important as leather seats. Freedom is the real prize. Whether it's working remotely, exploring national parks, or living off-grid, motorhomes in 2026 are about taking the comforts of home anywhere you want. So there you have it, the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026, Peugeot e-Luxe Horizon, Volvo Globetrotter Executive, Mercedes-Benz Grand Tourer, Volterra Quantum, and of course, the Rolls-Royce LandCruiser Elegance. Now the question is, which one would you choose? Would you go all out with the Rolls-Royce Palace on wheels? Or would you lean futuristic with the Volterra? Maybe keep it balanced with the Mercedes-Benz Grand Tourer? Drop your pick in the comment below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more deep dives into the future of cars, travel, and innovation. Because when it comes to luxury motorhomes in 2026, the road isn't just where you go, it's where you live.